Kavita is a fast, feature-rich, cross-platform reading server that gives you a one-stop solution for managing comics, books, and novels for yourself or your family. With Kavita, you can organize your own library efficiently, and you can also share it with family and friends however you like. Before deploying, go to your shared folder, open the Docker directory, and create a new folder named Kavita. Inside it, create a config folder to store the configuration files and the database. Then create a comics folder for your comic files. And if you need more resource folders, you can create them as well. In the comics folder, create subfolders named after each comic and upload the files. If you already have these folders, you can just skip this part. Next, open Docker and click Project, then Create. In the Setup wizard, enter any project name you like, and the storage path will match automatically. You can copy the compose file from the video description and paste it here. The image field refers to the Docker image, and latest means you're using the newest version. The restart option defines how the container restarts, and always means it will automatically restart whenever it stops. For the volumes, replace the paths with the ones that match the folders you just created. You can right-click a folder, open Properties, copy its location, and paste it into the compose file. Then, repeat the same steps for the other paths. Under Environment, you can set your time zone and change it to the one you use. For ports, 15,000 to 5,000 maps, port 15000 on your NAS to port 5,000 inside the container. And if that port is already taken, you can simply change the number before the colon. When everything is ready, click Deploy, and Docker will automatically pull the image and start the container. After the deployment is done, you can access Kavita directly from Docker, or just open your browser and enter your NAS IP address along with the port you set in the Docker Compose file. This will take you to the Kavita page, where you can follow the on-screen guide to complete the initial registration. Once you're logged in, click the Settings button in the top right corner. In the Preferences page, find the Locale option. Choose English or any other language you prefer, and the system will switch the language automatically. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, click Libraries and then Add Library. A window will pop up where you can name the library however you like. Choose the library type, and then click Next. Select the mounted path where your comics are stored. Click Share to add it, and then click Next again. You can upload a cover image if you want, then click Next to continue. Leave the advanced settings as they are and click Save. Kavita will start scanning and add all the files that meet the requirements. Once that's done, you can go back to the home page and start reading your comics.